In this lesson, we are going to create a 3D circle known as a sphere. To do this, click on the Circle tool in the Options panel. Now move to the center point of the screen. The center point is where all of the coloured lines connect. We call this point the origin point. With this point selected, click the mouse button and move the cursor outwards until you have a circle that is the size you would like. Now move back to the origin point. When you've reached the origin point, a message will appear on the screen. Press the left arrow key to change the orientation of the circle tool. When you have done this, the circle tool will appear in green. Press the mouse button once and move the cursor outward to draw a second circle that is slightly smaller than the first. When you are ready, press the mouse button to complete the second circle. You should now have two overlapping circles on your screen. To complete the sphere, click on the Selection tool in the top of the Options panel, and then click on the largest circle, the one that is laying down. The circle will be highlighted in blue. Now click on the Follow Me tool. Click on the second circle, the one standing up. Ignore the error message and you will see that we have a circle or a sphere that looks a little like the planet Saturn. We want to delete this ring so that we have a complete sphere. To do this, select the Eraser tool, move to the outer edge of the ring and click the mouse button to delete it. You will now be left with a perfect sphere. We can edit the complete sphere to make a dome. To do this, first click View, Hidden Geometry. We can now see all of the pieces that make up our sphere. Use the Orbit tool to rotate around the sphere so that you can see the front of the sphere. Now you can see the front of the sphere. Select the Eraser tool, hold the mouse button down and drag across the pieces of the sphere you want to delete. As you drag across them, you can see the lines turn blue. Let go of the mouse button and the pieces will disappear. Do this until you've deleted the lower half of the sphere. If you miss any pieces, simply go over them one more time with the eraser until they have been erased from the screen. With the lower half now erased, we've been left with a dome. We can rotate around the dome and see that inside it is empty.